Ladies and gentlemen, I have been given an opportunity to do something on my bucket list for a very long time. See behind me? Finally, found my way to Universal Studios here in Orlando, Florida. Many of my subscribers have been telling me as I've been coming to Disney, hey, every time you come to Orlando, you skip this place. Yeah, I do. That's because apparently they have some awesome rides, but you cannot film on any ride in Universal Studios at any of the three parks. So today, I will be sharing with you my first experience of both parks. I got a park hopper, thank you to my buddy Todd for hooking me up here in the Orlando area so that I can go experience this park, and I'm gonna share as much as I can with y'all here on a nice sunny day. It's gonna feel like 90 degrees here in January. High is like 86, 87, but it's gonna be warm. Orlando. Yeah, they got some cool rides, whatever, but the highlight of Universal Orlando is Springfield, Simpsons Land. Obviously, I'm a big Simpsons fan. I got Homer over here on this arm. I got Bart over on this arm. Let's go check out Springfield, guys. Oh my gosh, so much Simpsons stuff. That's a cool blue hat, too. I really like that hat. Oh my gosh, Simpsons basketball. There's Itchy and Scratchy Whack-A-Rat, Mr. Burns Radioactive Rings, Ay Carumbe, Krusty, that's the ride. That's the Simpsons ride over there. Definitely going to have to check out this ride. No cameras allowed in there, but I'm gonna go get in line. Oh, I just got out of the ride. It's just a virtual moving seat ride type thing, but you know, it's the Simpsons Land that I wanted to see. Let's go see if we can find some good food or drinks here in Springfield. See what they got. I love all the games they have. Sideshow U, Wild and Willie's with prizes just like a carnival. There She Throws, and Strike. And they got some kiddie rides with the aliens, Twirl and Hurl over there. A quickie mart. We can go get some sour milk there from a poo. Or you can get your squishy or your Duff beer. Oh my gosh. Simpsons magnets from Springfield. Got some bottle open here, Dry Duff and Lady Duff. I do already have a magnet that looks like that. I kind of like the big rubber frosty donut. That's a cool magnet. Oh, by the way, Fridays are my cheat day. Just letting you know, I'm not going to overdo it today, but for food options, we got Cletus's Chicken Shack there, and across the street, they've actually got Duff beer over here, apparently. There's the Duff Beer sign in there, Duff Gardens. We'll come back to the beer. I'm kind of hungry for lunch first. I gotta have some good food at the Krusty Burger in Springfield. That's gonna be a good burger, greasy too.
Looks like you said hey.
Alright, we got Luigi's. We got the Frying Dutchman, then again, Cletus's Chicken Shack, and Krusty Burger. And of course the Flaming Moe's, or is it a Flaming Homer's? No. Oh yeah, Krusty Burger, and the Clogger Burger, the Mother Nature Burger, Sideshow Bob footlong. Oh man, went with the Krusty Burger with bacon and fries. There's what the Flaming Moe's looks like. That looks awesome, man. Oh my gosh, all that healthy eating, I needed this. I love it. Lard, Lad, donuts. Homer's favorite. Yeah, I don't need a donut right this second, though. Looks like Chief Wiggum got into a little bit of trouble here, hit a fire hydrant. Yeah. Duffman gives you heartburn and heart disease. Oh, yeah! And what goes best after a nice Krusty Burger? We gotta stop into Moe's Tavern and have a Duff beer. Or is it Doof of beer. Yeah. Barney, yeah, you got any Duff in here? Okay, yeah, they got Duff at the counter, yeah. All right, my order's in. I mean, they even matched the windows, and they got the love tester that Homer used. Yeah. Oh, I love it. All right, gotta admit, Springfield was pretty cool. I'm pretty impressed by what Universal did. Gonna hop on the Hogwarts Express and go over to the other park, Islands of Adventure, for a little bit. Sorry, I wish I could take you along for all these rides, but it's Universal's rules, you know. You're right, Wiggum. These are some pretty good donuts. Thanks for telling me about it. What? Duff beer for the road. Yeah. It appears we're in another country now. Are we in London? Is there There's some Harry Potter references around here. Wait a minute. There's the bus. Yeah, we are. Wait. Quite a cool land. They did really good here. Looks like a good place to eat. All right, Harry Potter World continues once we get on the Hogwarts Express right through that tunnel right there. Yeah, I'm gonna go over to the other park, Island of Adventures. All right, here we go. All right, we are upstairs now. Wow, that's cool. And we're going to exit to Hogsmeade, Islands of Adventure. Oh yeah. And here we are. Look at the snow on the roofs. I love it. Wow. That is cool. Butterbeer. What's Butterbeer? Yeah, we'll skip it.
Actually, never mind. You're right.
I felt somebody screaming at me from the other side of the lens when I passed up the Butterbeer. Maybe I better get one. Okay, jeez, I'll try it. All right, there it is. It's like a caramel. Yeah, it's caramel, I think. I guess that's the Dole Whip of Universal Studios, basically. It is really good, actually. I like it. Oh, wait a minute. Jurassic Park. Oh, Jurassic Park popcorn. There's one of the Jeeps used in the movie. Not the tour one, but JP-23. Mr. T-Rex up there. Oh, man. Time for another coaster. Incredible Hulk. Man, what an awesome time I had at Universal. Those two parks are amazing. I am just blown away by that. Being a Disney guy, it is amazing that right across the street, right across the bay there in Orlando, exists Universal Studios, which is a fantastic place. Again, for like the fourth time, it is really difficult to make a YouTube video about the rides when you can't film the rides. And they are super, super strict about everything. Cameras, you have to put all your backpacks, all of your glasses and hats and everything has to be stored in lockers before every single ride. I mean, if you haven't been to Universal, you don't know what I'm talking about. If you know Universal, you guys are like, I know exactly what you mean, Eric. It is a very strange, the exact opposite of Disney. And I'm just saying, I personally wish I could do my normal thing. It is not allowed at Universal. So I filmed the lands and the public places where you're allowed to do video instead and shared it with you. But I'm exhausted. I put on 8.2 miles of walking today. Still got to do my workout tonight before I go to bed, so I'm exhausted. Thank you again, Todd, for hooking me up with the tickets. Little channel highlight if you're looking for a fun channel, something with some RV camping related, camp hosting type stuff. Check out the Glamping guys on YouTube. I will link them at the end of the video and in the video description below. I got a couple magnets, as you saw. I did get the pink magnet, huge sprinkled donut for Homer for Springfield. And to commemorate the entire Universal trip, I got this half-globe Universal magnet. Very cool looking magnet. So, again, I was just editing the video, getting the finalized stuff here, and I've been posting pictures on Instagram and some stuff, and I did notice I've been over this, but getting hounded on Instagram this evening by everybody. Eric, I thought you were on a diet. What the heck's going on, Eric? You promised you wouldn't drink beer. You promised you would stop eating burgers. And I'm like, what the heck? Again, I don't know if people just choose to tune out my videos. I had 2 Wednesday weight loss videos posted already, and I've already talked about the specific diet I'm doing for Body for Life, which allows me my cheat days. I never said I wasn't going to drink beer. You guys, some of you guys are jumping to conclusions. Go back and listen to my videos. I get a cheat day once a week. I have decided that Friday is that cheat day. I'm not going to go over this every single week for all the people who are just making up whatever they want to believe. Yes, I'm on a diet. Yes, I get a cheat day. No, I never said I'm giving up everything forever. Anyway, we got another Weight Loss Wednesday coming up soon, so... And I'm leaving the county. I'm leaving the area of Orlando for sure. We're heading west. You guys have a great evening. I'm going to hang out with Jax and finish up this video. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.